Hey guys, how's everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to crochet this beanie, and this beanie you can make it in 3 sizes. I am going to do the pattern for 6 to 12 months old baby, and you can adjust it into 1 to 3 years old until 3 to 10 years old, okay? I am going to use size J, number 10, 6mm crochet hook, and I am going to use a number 4 medium weight yarn. Okay, if you are ready guys, let's begin the project. Okay, to begin, make a magic ring, wrap around yarn on your finger twice, 1, 2, and then remove the ring, and into the ring we are going to make a chain 1, and for the 6 to 12 months old, make 8 single crochet into the ring. For the 1 year to 3 year old, make 10 single crochet into the ring, and for the 3 to 10 years old, make 12 single crochet. I am going to do the 6 to 12 months, so I'm going to make 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I have 8 single crochet. Now we are going to close the ring. We are going to pull the inside strand halfway from left to right, and then we are going to pull the tail. This is the tail. We are going to pull that tight. Okay, and join it with slip stitch into the beginning single. Now for the round 2, make a chain 2, and into the same stitch as joining we are going to make a puff stitch. So yarn on hook and slip stitch into the same slip hook into the same stitch, pull up yarn, wrap around yarn on hook, slip hook into the same stitch, pull up yarn. We have 2, 4, 5. One more time, yarn on hook, slip hook into the same stitch, pull up yarn. So we have 2, 4, 6, 7. We have 7 loops on hook. Now, okay, we just made the first puff stitch. Now we are going to make 1/2 double crochet into the same stitch. Okay, 1/2 double crochet into the same stitch. All right, and we are going to make puff stitch into the next stitch. Do the puff stitch as before. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 7, then pull through and make 1/2 double crochet into the same stitch. All right, we're going to do the same for the remaining stitches around. One, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 7, pull through, and then half double crochet into the same stitch. Go ahead and finish your round. Okay, now we are going to join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning puff stitch. So this is the beginning chain 2, we're going to skip that, and on top of the beginning puff stitch we're going to join it with slip stitch there. Okay, now make a chain 1 and make 2 single crochet into the same stitch. 1, 2, and we are going to continue working with 2 single crochet in each stitches around. Okay, go ahead and make 2 single crochet in each stitches around, and I will meet you for the joining. Okay guys, I complete my round and I have 32 single crochet around. For the rest of the edges, you have a different counting, okay, but as long as you follow this, you won't get lost. So join it with slip stitch on into the beginning single. Okay, now make a chain 2 and make a puff stitch into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 7, pull through, and make half double crochet into the next stitch and puff stitch into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, and half double crochet into the next stitch. Okay, repeat this around. Make a puff stitch into the next stitch and half double crochet into the next, puff stitch, half double crochet, puff stitch, half double crochet. Continue this pattern around and I will meet you for the joining. Okay guys, I finished my round, and now join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2. This is the beginning chain 2. 1, 2, join it with slip stitch there, and make a chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch, and make 2 single crochet into the next stitch. 1, 2, single crochet into the next, 2 single into the next, single crochet into the next, 2 single into the next. Repeat this pattern around. Make single crochet, 2 single crochet, single crochet, 2 single crochet. Repeat this around and I will meet you for the next round. Okay guys, I finished my round, and now for the next round we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are on the 6th round now. Make a chain 2 and then make a puff stitch into the next, two, 4, 6, 7, pull through, and 1 half double crochet into the next, puff stitch into the next, 1, 2, 3, 1 half double crochet into the next, puff stitch into the next, 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and repeat this pattern around. Half double crochet into the next. Okay, puff stitch into the next stitch, 1 half double crochet into the next, puff stitch into the next, half double crochet into the next. Repeat this pattern around and I will meet you for the joining. Okay guys, I finished my round, and my last stitch is a puff stitch. Remember guys, if you're doing your round and you start with the chain 2, you always stop at puff stitch, okay? Now join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2 and make a chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch as joining and single crochet into the next stitch and go ahead and make 1 single crochet in each stitches around. Alright guys, I finished my single crochet round and now for the remaining rounds, for the 6 to 12 months old baby, you're going to repeat round 6 and 7 alternately until you have the measurement of 5 inches long from top to bottom. You should measure it this way, okay? You have to start the measuring from here down, okay? So for 6 to 12 months old, repeat round 6 and round 7 alternately until you have 5 inches long from top to bottom. And for 1 to 3 years old, repeat round 6 and 7 alternately until you have the measurement of 6 inches long from top down. And for the 3 to 10 years old, repeat round 6 and 7 alternately until you have 6.5 or 7 inches long. Alright? Go ahead and finish your remaining rounds for each ages and I will see you for the brim. Okay guys, I finished my 5 inches long for the 6 to 12 months old baby. Okay. And I stopped my work at round 7, which is single crochet around. And now we are going to start for the brim. Make a chain of 2 and make 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch and continue working 1/2 double crochet in each stitches around, okay? Go ahead and make 1/2 double crochet in each stitches around and I will meet you for the next round. Okay guys, I finished my round and I join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2. And for the next round, make a chain 2 and make front post 1/2 double crochet into the next. Make back post 1/2 double crochet around the next. Front post 1/2 double crochet around the next stitch. Back post 1/2 double crochet around the next stitch. Go ahead and repeat this around. Make front post 1/2 double crochet around the next stitch and then back post 1/2 double crochet around the next. Front post 1/2, back post 1/2, front post 1/2. Go ahead and repeat this pattern around and I will meet you for the joining. Okay guys, I finished my round and my last stitch is front post 1/2 double crochet. Now join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2 and make a chain 2 and make 1 front post 1/2 double crochet around the next stitch and back post half double crochet around the next back post, front post half double crochet around the next front post, back post half double into the next. Okay, go ahead and repeat this around, and when you finish this round, you need to make one more round of the same pattern. Okay, go ahead and finish this round, and when you finish it, repeat it one more time, and I will meet you for the joining. I finished my last round, guys, and I join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2 here, and this is how the beanie looks like. Don't forget to trim the tail of your work later on. And this measures 6 inches long from crown to the brim, and it has the circumference of 14 inches unstitched to 16 inches if it is stitched. Okay, alright, we finished another project, guys. Thank you for crocheting with me today. I hope you enjoy crocheting with me, and I hope you like it. If you have any more question about the stitches, just go ahead and leave a comment on the comment section below, and I will try my best to respond as soon as I can. Thank you for joining me today, and have a nice day, guys. See you for the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.